Three women were shot, one fatally during an attack at a bingo game at Bottom Ales Hall in East Clarendon on Wednesday. The deceased have been identified as 37-year-old Tara Fullerton, otherwise called Doll, a resident of the community. The injured women, both 52, have been admitted to hospital. Reports reaching Observer Online are that around 5:30 p.m. the three females were among other persons gathered at a shop playing bingo. Police said a silver Nissan Tida motorcar drove up at the location and one man alighted from the vehicle armed with a handgun. The man reportedly opened fire, hitting all three women. They were assisted to hospital where Fullerton was pronounced dead on arrival. The other two are being treated for gunshot wounds to various parts of their body. Police were unable to say what triggered the attack but have launched an investigation. No suspect have yet been identified. Popular meat shop operator was fatally shot outside his meat shop in Mount Salem, St. James yesterday afternoon. He is Clive Lawson, who resides in the community. It is reported that about 4:30 p.m. the popular meat shop operator was standing outside his establishment, which is located along the main road in Mount Salem, when gunmen in vehicle drove up and opened fire. Lawson was shot multiple times. He is the third person to be killed this week in Mount Salem, which has been under a zone of special operations in 2017. A 12-year-old girl was shot while being transported to school on a motorcycle by a relative in St. James. The shooting happened about 7:40 a.m. in the community of Somerton. It is reported that while the girl and her relative were traveling on the bike, armed men with guns came up and opened fire. The schoolgirl, who attends William Knibb High School in Trelawney, was hit. The gunmen then escaped. She was rushed to hospital where she was admitted in serious but stable condition. The police are probing the incident. A 14-year-old male student of Arbuthnot Gallimore High School remains hospitalized in serious condition after being reportedly stabbed by another student on the school compound in Alexander on Tuesday. Reports are that shortly after 11 a.m. on Tuesday, there was a water-throwing incident at the school, which led to an altercation between the two teenagers. A knife was subsequently brought into play, resulting in one of the boys being stabbed. The wounded boy was rushed to the hospital where he was admitted for treatment. Head of the St. Anne Police, Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, told Loop News that the police, through its Community Safety and Security branch, will be meeting with the school community on the matter. We'll be working closely with the school to see how best we can treat with these and other issues affecting the school.